What's up guys? So today I'm going to be showing you how to install a software on your external drive. So probably your system is filled up like mine, or you have a low memory but you don't want to install it on your internal drive, but you want to install it on your external drive. So I'm going to be showing you. So I'm going to be using this software for an example. So I recently installed it but I uninstalled it again, so I want to extract. So let me just extract it right here. Right, so so now I'm going to okay, thought I extracted. Let me see. Oh, okay, so I'm going to extract it here. So voila. So actually Bandicoot is actually a software of Bandicam, so use it to cut your video. But if you really want professional stuff, I don't think you want to go for Bandicoot. It's almost like, sorry guys, worthless, because you only cut videos and yet the output is very large, and so on and so forth. So you want to go for something like Movavi, Camtasia, and so on and so forth. So, but I'm not here for that. So I'm here to show you how to install the software on your external drive. So let's say I want to install this software right on my external drive. So I'm going to click on Bandicoot setup.ex. So Bandicam setup.ex. So you're going to click OK. You're going to click next. I agree. And you want to make sure you don't make any mistake of skipping when to install on your external drive. So you're going to say next. Now this is the point. Now instead of you to let it install on drive C program files Bandicoot, you want to come to browse. Right now, D is my external drive. So do you want to install you should know your external drive, right? So for me, D is my external drive, E is my external drive, G, F, like I told you, I partitioned my external drive, but C of course is my internal drive, so I don't want to install it in C. So let's assume I want to install it in D. I'm just going to click on D. I might want to create a new folder by right clicking on an empty space. Just a new folder. It's not necessary though, but sometimes it might be necessary. And just give it Bandicoot just to remember the software. I'm going to say okay. I'm going to say install. Right now, that is just as simple as it gets. That is how to install a software on your that's how to install a software on your external drive. Now if you really want to search for it, you can go to your external drive, which is D, right? And then you look for it. It should be somewhere around Bandy. Where are you? So it should be somewhere around so we saved it with Bandicoot, right? So the software looks nice, but I kind of find it difficult to use, which I didn't find it great, because I use other better softwares. So that's why. Oh, I think oh, this is where we installed it, right? So you can see your software. Now you can see it's inside your D drive, inside Bandicoot, right? So this is where we installed. Now it's inside your D drive, right? Now anytime you want to run it, you want to make sure your external drive is connected, but it does not affect your C drive, because your C drive have all the space that you want, and you don't want to tamper with those space. So thank you guys for watching. And again, there are not all softwares you can install on your external drive, right? It's not all softwares you can install on your external drive. Like you want to install WhatsApp, it will not let you install on your external drive. You have to install it on your system, your C drive, I think, as well as Telegram and other softwares. So but yeah, there are softwares you will want to install on your external drive. Like you can install your Photoshop, but it's going to be kind of like, not as better as when you install it on your C drive. CorelDRAW, I don't think CorelDRAW will let you install on your external drive. I think you can. Yeah, I'm not quite. I think you can. You should. So other software will let you, but not all softwares will allow you to do that. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you find my video helpful, and if you do, please click the subscribe button and like and share. Thank you.